Hey y'all, I got sent over a handy little tool that I think you're gonna like. It's a hand truck. Let me get it opened up and I'll show you exactly what it is. Now I do have one of these already and I do use it. So getting a new one was kind of a nice thing. I'm seeing one thing already that I like about it. It has locking wheels. Got locks on the wheels right there. That will make it nice. Got straps here. I'll show you what these are good for here in a moment. It looks like this one has a little carrying bag. I have one, and it doesn't come with a little carrying bag. Actually, this one looks to be a little bit smaller, which for most of my uses, that's good. Because I carry mine in the car, right behind the seat and the floorboard. Got your instructions here on how to get it extended out and folded up. But basically, it's this right here. This will sit in the floorboard of most cars. It sits in the back of a Nissan sedan, I can tell you that. Basically, all you're going to do is take this and slide this out. That extends the deck. Then you can raise this arm right here. Just pull up on it. It has some little catches right in here. You can see those right there. Kind of keeps that handle locked into place. Nice little handle. And as you see, you can roll it around wherever you need it. So it looks like this does have 2-inch wheels on it. The deck is about 21.5, but you got to allow for this arm right here. So you only want to go to like right there. That's 20.5. You lose about 1 inch, but that's okay. It is 11.5 inches wide, about 4¼ inches tall. To extend this handle, all you're going to do is like this little button right here, just push that and then it'll extend out. Get through, pop it down, slide it in, ready to go. It's light, easy, and convenient. I'll show you a usage scenario that I happen to need at this moment. So let me flip this camera over here this way. You get here to your door and you got a stack of boxes, so you got to get them put up. Move that one to the side here. Start stacking them up. Makes it a lot easier when you got to go from the front door all the way around to your storage area. That's nice right there. And it's also good for putting totes like this on there. That's where the strap comes in handy. If you got it stacked up, you can throw this strap around here. I'll show you. It's a long one too. You could put a tall stack on here. These hand trucks are really good in my case because I carry like 2-3 cases of water. Sometimes I have to carry it a ways, and it just cuts down on my having to walk a lot and carry a lot. Also good for carrying cases of printing paper, which I use those for examples because that is my situation a lot of times. Anyway, like I said, you could go on up with this a long ways if you needed to. But you can put this strap around here, slide it through there, and there you go. You don't have to worry about it falling off. Take it where you need to. Another good thing about that strap is if you need to pick it up and carry it, you can just hold the handle back here in your tote. And you got that strap around there, you don't have to worry about losing your hand truck. And by the way, if you're worried about running across the grass or whatever, I know we got a sidewalk here, but just say we didn't have a sidewalk and you were wondering about going through the yard, you see how easy that is? Not a problem at all. So if you're looking for a hand truck like this, oh, let me show you one more thing. And like I mentioned, just fold that handle up like that. Push that in, close that. And you can take that, put it right down there behind your seat. Not a problem. It's a little warmer in here. Wind is blowing and it's cold out there. Anyway, as I mentioned before, it does have the brakes on it. You can just take your foot and push down on that, lock that wheel, and it will not turn. So, really nice thing to have. If you're going to be hauling anything, you can also put, I had to move a recliner. I had sold the recliner since then, but a recliner, the frame of it fit on these. So very nice little tool to have. If you'd like to get yourself one of these, I will put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value out of this video at all, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing if you haven't done so yet. I'd appreciate it. That's it, folks. This is the hand truck. Slides out like so, and you can flip the handle up, just like that. Have it short, long, whatever you need. And you don't have to leave this part out. I didn't mention that, but you can slide that back up to make it a shorter one. This is good for carrying cases of paper. You don't need that full length. Gives you a little more control with it shorter. Anyway, the locking brakes on this one makes it much nicer than the one I have. So get yourself one if you'd like it. Hey, I am Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.